Hello guys, you are watching Half Blood Prince channel and it's me Shahir, and now I will show you how to solve the star puzzle keychain and a ball puzzle keychain. It's very easy. I have posted my video before how to solve a keychain cube puzzle keychain. Now I will first of all I will show you this one how to solve it. As it's the same totally, you can see there's a place and there's a cube, so you just have to put it and it will look like this, and then you have to pull it out. We have pulled out one pieces and we have to now we have to take out all 5 pieces. Now we have to pull this one, the yellow one, like this, easy. Okay, you have to put it like this, and then you have to pull the white one. It's a little bit hard. Okay, as you can see, now we have pulled 3 pieces. Now you will just take out the green one and the pink one and the last one. Okay, now same as it in we have to solve star keychain puzzle. Now I will open it first of all. Okay, it's the same. We have to press the cube and it will come out like this, and you have to pull it out like the same one. These all parts are basically at the same structure, but thus there are different bodies, and we have to put it like this. This is one, and then we have to pull out the green one, as you can see. So it's out, and then the yellow one, and you can see these all are done. Now I will show you how to solve them all. First of all, I will show you how to solve this circle one. Okay, now we have to just end it, and then you have to just pull it like this. Look, you can see there a gap. It's almost the same as I showed you in the previous video how to solve a cube. Look, you can see, and then to pull this and this. Okay, and then the same. Look like this, and it will look like this. And just the last piece you have to put the same way. Look, it is completed. It's a beautiful keychain to gift, and it's an easy and fun toy. And now I will solve the star one. So this is my best one, the star one. I like it the most. And now we have to just solve it like this. Look, you can see. First of all, I have taken this pieces, so you have to put it in here, and then you have to take out this one, and you have to pull it like this. See? Look, you can see. You have to put it just like this, and then as I showed you in the circle one, there's a place and you have to fill the hole like this. Oh, I have put it oppositely, as you can see. Now you can see it's completely almost done, and thus you have to put it the same way like this. Look, like this, and then the last one piece. Look, you can, if you enter from here, it will not be completely done. You have to enter it from the here, as you can see. Wait, let me zoom. Yes. Look, you have to do it like this. Okay, and it's done, and I have shown this in the previously video, so please like and subscribe, and these are cool toys. Please like and subscribe and share. And wait, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.